Hey all, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. My channel's analytics shows me that most of my viewers are interested in watercolor paintings. And so, I thought of coming up with a series of watercolor paintings, and that too a series on berries. Isn't that going to be exciting? When I sat to do a little research on berries, I came across many interesting facts. And many of these facts were new to me, and hence I dived a little deeper into it. I would like to share few of these facts with you all. At the end of the video, do let me know in the comment section how many of you already knew about these facts. So let's start first understanding what is actually a berry. Now, in botany, a berry is a fleshy fruit without a pit, produced from a single flower containing one ovary. Examples are grapes, currants, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplant, bananas. And you know what? Despite its name, the strawberry isn't a true berry. Neither is the raspberry or the blackberry. But I painted all these thinking that they are berries. The kiwi fruit is a true berry. Oranges are a subtype of berry. But botanists call the strawberry a false fruit. Did you know earlier that a strawberry is actually a multiple fruit which consists of many tiny individual fruits embedded in a fleshy receptacle? Well, when I started reading more about it, my head started spinning, and then I thought I should concentrate on my paintings now. It's always good to have an understanding and awareness about the topic that you paint, right? And so, I'm definitely going to revisit these topics and will share with you as we progress in our paintings. No, don't worry, not too deep. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, please give it a like right now to help me out here in YouTube, and also it lets me know that you like to see more videos like this in the future. And if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing it, and also don't forget to hit that bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos where I will be showing you how to paint these berries, in fact false berries. But before that, I will also explain you how to draw these berries so that you can create a composition of your own. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for taking out time and staying with me till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.